What's up, YouTube? Today, I have something extra special for you guys. Today, it's going to be the first test, or pre-test, for the CSWA, and it's going to be 2 questions. I want you guys to do this on your own before you look at the rest of this video. So let me pull it up on screen. Please. So, here's a test. I encourage you guys, let me put, so you can take a screenshot of it. I encourage you guys to first do it on your own. And do first part, second part. This is also in the packet if you did get it. I'll put the link in the description. This is one of the pre-tests for the CSWA. Relatively 2 easy parts, similar to what we've been doing this entire time. And I wish you guys good luck. After you're done, you can watch the rest of the video and see if you got it right, or if you modeled it the same way, or if you had any questions, I could probably answer it. Okay, cool. I'll see you guys just in a bit. If you guys went through the test, awesome. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to model these parts, and you could cross-reference with your own version of the CAD model. And also, I'll provide the answers of each at the end. So, also, I want to let you guys know this is one of the first pre-tests. There's another test in here, and I believe I actually have a full consolidated test of pretty much what every section of the CSWA will probably look like. Not the same exact questions, but questions that I've seen in the past. I don't think they use the same questions anymore. It's been a while since I've taken it, but it should be in the same format and the questions should be about the same difficulty. But if you're interested in looking into that, you could always go to my Gumroad and get the packet or the PDF file. Cool. So let's start both these parts. So our first part is actually going to be in millimeters. So it's going to be a revolved piece. Our A is just 12, and let's go ahead. And it looks like the center, the origin is set to the back. So file new. Let's go parts millimeters. Let's go to, let's make sure we orient this right. Actually, it looks oriented right. So it looks like a revolve starts on our front plane. So let's hide these. Let's grab a center line. Oops. Before we continue, actually, let's do the equations real quick. Manage equations. It's going to be our A. 12 millimeters. Press OK.
Sketch. Let us quickly draft this up. So diameter is A and the outer was 28. The base is 12. From here to here, 32.
Let's go to revolve base. Press OK. And we have a small little cutout on this side, which is a square box. I'll grab my center line, vertical. Just gonna make this tangent. Can be 2 millimeters. And the width is 4. Extrude through all. Let's go to evaluate. Mass properties, options, use custom, millimeters, grams, and then it's gonna be 0073. Press OK. 0073, 67.77 grams. Okay. Go to our configurations. Actually, just go ahead and save this part as T3.1.1. Make that a T. We rename this. Add a secondary configuration. Okay, T3.1.2. Okay, let's go to the beginning of this. Change our equations. This configuration, let me see what that value was. 15. There you go. Let's just switch around, make sure. Oops, I probably did something wrong. Made a little bit of a hiccup here, guys. Let's go here, edit sketch, equals A, that's okay. Edit the sketch, oops, press OK first. Edit the sketch, exit the sketch. There we go. So make sure, evaluate mass properties, 69.77 giggity. And then our other one is going to be 79.06. Go ahead and save that. Just minimize that for now. File new. The next one is going to be in inches. And it's going to be this beast. So our corner here, it's going to be our Y going up, our X going to right, Z going down. Top. Put that going downwards. Let's eliminate the rest. Oops. Let's do that real quick before we forget the equations. Manage equations. Our A value, which is going to be 5.5. Press enter. And our B value can be also 5.5. Okay. Edit it. This is going to be our A. Okay. This is going to be our B. Press OK. Square box.
Yeah, like a slight little stop there. 2 holes. I believe that is it, so let's draw these up. So this one here is going to be 0.8. Center line to the edge is going to be 1. And the depth is 1. So to the edge here, 1. Edge here, 1 as well. Edge here, 1. These going to be vertical. Diameter is 0.8. Both edges will be equal. And let's go to
extrude. Just this. What's the amount? It's going to be 0.5. There we go. We're going to make a square box on top. We're going to use the 3-point. There you go. First measurement's actually going to be here to the edge. This one's going to be equals variable A divided by 2. Which is just center, but it creates that equation for us. Same thing here. It's going to be equals global variable B divided by 2. Box is about 3 inches here. Three inches this way. And it's going to be 45 degrees. Oh, it's extrude boss. The height of that is going to be 2 inches. And then let us do the cut through slot.
Down, down, down. Let's mirror this across. Here to here. 0.25. These are also 0.25 here. On both sides, but already mirrored. The depth of the slot is 0.65. And this is going to be 90 degrees. Where did I mess up at? Oh, 0.65 from the bottom.
Now extrude cut through wall. It's okay. There we go. Now we have our plate. So let's go file, save as. It's gonna be 3.2.1. Press OK. And I just realized I did the second part. Supposed to be the first part. So let's just go ahead and change our A and B value. It can be 6 and 4.5. There we go. See, it's always important to check your work. T3. .2.1. Let's add that second configuration. T3. .2. .2. Let's go to evaluate mass properties. The density for this one is going to be 0.027 pounds per cubic inch. 0.27. Pounds per cubic inch. Press OK. So our first one is going to be 0.69. Giggity. Mass properties. We didn't update our values, that's why. We didn't update our values, so let's make sure we update those. So our 2.1 is going to be this configuration, 5.5. Press enter. This configuration, 5.5. Enter. Press OK. There we go. It updated, alright. We just switch them. There we go. Okay, save that real quick. Now let's go to our dot one. Make sure it didn't change anything. That's properties, 0.69. Then our second one, mass properties, 0.74. Okay, so those are the answers to the 2 questions, or the 2 parts we had. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you guys want another round of testing, I got more tests in the packet that's gonna be in the description below. So if you have any other questions, please let me know, and tell me about your experience down in the comments. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will answer as a reply comment or as a short video between the courses to help out any others who probably have the same question as you. Feedback and video suggestions are appreciated and helps me to improve the design of the content for you all to better enjoy and learn. Thank you for watching, and all of you have my greatest respects for pursuing to learn new great things.